Withdrawing money from your Chase bank account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Visit a Chase branch. Locate the nearest Chase Bank branch. If your account is in good standing, you can visit the branch to withdraw cash directly from a teller. Step 3. Use an ATM. If you prefer to withdraw cash without entering the bank, find a Chase ATM. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and select the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Prepare identification. If you are withdrawing a large sum or visiting a branch, be prepared to show valid identification. This could be a driver's license, passport, or any government-issued ID. Step 5. Complete the transaction. Follow the prompts at the ATM or the instructions from the teller to complete your withdrawal. Make sure to take your receipt and any remaining card or cash. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully withdraw money from your Chase bank account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Chase customer support for assistance.